Welcome to A Dash of Story with Donna Lynn. Let's organize our scrap. Hello, so I got my creative motivation binder and it's so awesome. I didn't think it was going to be as cool as it is, and I'm so glad I got it. I just wanted to show you really quick. I love the very first divider. It says, this is a sign to drop what you're doing and start scrapbooking. This needs to be framed and put in my office. So the first tab is project recipes. And of course you can change the tab if you want to customize it. You can just put a label over there, but project recipes. And I got the binder that was full. And so I received every single project recipe from every collection from 2024. The printing is so beautiful. And I'm going to be able to see really well all the pages, all the different colors that they used in their paper. And then it has the cutting guide and all of the measurements on here. It even has the measurements of the photos. And of course, you know the beauty of project recipes. You don't have to use that same collection. So you can go ahead and use this idea and use whatever papers and theme that you want for your project. So then next we have the project playbooks. Project playbooks are what come when you get the buy it all bundle. When they do the discount for the first like 10 days, they give you a 10% discount on the buy it all bundles. You also get the project playbook with a buy it all bundle. And the project playbook shows you ideas. Again, they give you a cutting guide, which is very helpful if you're into really creative scrapbooking and want to do some really cute 2-page spreads, or if you just need inspiration. And of course, you can add more photos and add more journaling as you want for your style. This is the one for the Noteworthy collection. They're just ideas and inspiration, creative motivation to get you going. This is the one for Birthday Jubilee. And project guidebook, that's different than a playbook. The guidebook comes out a few times a year. They have one for National Scrapbook Day, Croptoberfest. They have one for advisor only sweet products. And so the project guidebook actually uses every piece in that collection. Usually you get like 12 pages out of it. The next is virtual crop sketches. So if you're on Creative Memories Facebook and you do the virtual crop group, they always post the sketches every month. Well, now they printed them out for us. It has the measurements and it has a little indication of where to put embellishments and journaling. So for 2024, January through December, they've given you every single one comes with this. It's great. The next tab is blog projects. So Creative Memories blog, you can click a link at the end of each post and you can print the instructions. This happens to be something from an event that I went to, but you can print the instructions and you can put all the blog ideas in here if you like those. Creative extras, that would just be something that you would want to put in here if you have any other things. What I started doing is saving the simple page kit inserts. So if you get a simple page kit, it comes with stickers, it comes with paper, and it comes with this little guide. Now the guide doesn't have measurements on it because you don't really need to measure because the pieces are numbered. So all you have to do is cut by number. And then they give you 2 base pages. And then when you cut these, then you put these pieces onto your page and then you can embellish with stickers. So before you cut this, you could just measure all of these pieces. And now you write them in this little box part. So right here, you're gonna write them, the little measurements, 1 inch by 12 inch, 1 inch by 12 inch, 4 by 6, etc. That way, now I have a project recipe basically for any other collection that I want to use. If you save all of the simple page kit instructions and your measurements, you can recreate these pages with the other collections. So that's what I did with my extra tab in the back. This binder has 2 pockets, one on the front and one in the back. And what I like about this is you can get it with all of the inserts, or you can get it just plain with just the dividers. So if you're one of those people that save every single idea, you'll want several binders, and so you don't have to get the inserts for every binder. And then they also come with these little tabs, so you can always customize them, and then you just put that right over here. I love it so much. I just wanted to share, and let me know in the comments if you have ordered the Creative Motivation Binder and what you're using them for. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. For more ideas and inspiration, visit adashofstory.com. Thanks much. Happy scrapping.